We will start, well, I think Ms. Ogletree's incarcerated. Mr. Sposman, who's your,
How are you? Good morning.
doing well?
I'm Mr. Hill. Sean Marshall.
Casey, you.
Number is,
Yeah.
number is, what is it? Yeah, dog it. Oh, there he is, number 19.
Okay, gotcha.
All right, is Mr. Hill here?
There's your right behind me. Yes, sir.
All right, you want to come on up, Mr. Hill?
Wow.
Kidnapping, false.
You going to, oh, ankle monitor. You want to raise your right hand? You have to swear for testimony, but gives truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth. And throughout the day? Okay. All right, Mr. Sposman. So we got Mr. Hill. There's his charges. He's had on the ankle monitor for a while. How's he doing, Miss Ankle Monitor?
Great, we don't have any known violations.
Outstanding. So is he on a calendar for Judge McBurney?
Final plea on Thursday, Judge. That's gonna get moved, but he is on in Judge McBurney's scheduling for.
Okay, we appreciate it. I mean, we'll check and make sure if you get that, just let us know because we won't put him back on here for you, please, in front of him.
Okay.
All right,
It's
thank you.
probably not gonna plea out on Thursday, Judge. It's gonna.
Okay.
There's gonna have to be an immunity motion,
Okay.
and we had some late discovery, so it's probably gonna go to the next cycle. So I don't know if the.
All right. Well, if you have any trouble, goes dead, yeah, make sure you just call second chance. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thank you so much.
Judge, nice to see you. Take care.
You too.
And out, brother. Good to see you.
Nice to meet you.
All right, man. All right, brother.
Let's see. So I'm not sure, Ms. Feely, how many of these people are in your office?
Probably most of them.
Is number one in your office? I think she's incarcerated. Ms. Goodman?
Yes, she is.
So I think Ms. Amy Ogletree, looks like she's in jail
Okay.
by Odyssey. Let's see.
Yeah, I have her in jail.
I mean, it says she's in jail for something, so. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like she's in there for unlawful conduct during 911 call and ag stalking with a bond. If they address this one at first appearance, just let us know, okay? All right, so we'll just we'll just reset this out just in case. All right, what about is Miss Ania Shavers? Or Ania Shavers, sorry. 25 SC 004 827 is rocking with you, Mr. Remsen.
Yeah, all right, Miss Gerber is PD.
She is, but she's pre-indictment.
Yeah, she is, and it just got indicted. This is Judge Richardson.
Rockhampton.
That person's with your office, though, right?
Yes.
All right. So I got Ania Shavers. All right, go ahead. What do you think, Mr. Jenkins?
Thank you, Judge. Well, subject to good notice, Your Honor, state requesting a bench warrant bond forfeiture.
All right, Ms. Feely, if you find out something different.
I'm just checking his Rock Remsen's, leave.
You gotta stand up. I can't hear you.
I think she had to play in Raymond Richardson today at night.
I mean, yeah, we'll check.
So she does appear to have Attorney Rock Remsen, who has a leave of absence, but not for this particular date.
Okay.
No court date scheduled with Richardson.
I can email Judge Richardson.
I overlooked it because it's today. She has a plea in arraignment. My apologies. So she should be up in 5B.
All right, so we'll just check, we'll check with Judge.
Has a P&A today? That makes sense, yeah.
All right, then we can reset
Well,
it.
yeah, we don't
All right, we'll reset it.
reason for a.
Number
bench warrant.
3 is 24 SC 006440. Last name Tabato. Tambato? I'm sorry, sir, I don't know how to pronounce your first name.
Benjamin.
All right, you want to come on up to the podium? Ms. Jones in your office too? All right, golly. Bostic's not here. What about it, ankle monitor?
Here, we just have, two dead batteries, one from 9:20 to 9:21, and then 9:16 to the end of 9:16. Otherwise, good.
Are you just having trouble keeping it charged?
No,
Yeah, speak up a little bit.
no, I be charging.
Obviously not on the 20th and the 16th. So now's the time you say something so that I don't put you in jail for not charging your ankle monitor. That's what we do.
I probably was asleep.
Little bit,
I said I probably was asleep
you were asleep
Yeah.
for an entire day?
a day. I ain't know that. I ain't know I ain't charged.
You got to speak up a little bit.
I said I ain't had no knowledge. It
Can you
wasn't
push
charged
that,
for a
that
day.
microphone a little bit closer? Because I can't, sorry. No, she's gonna do it. Tap it, is it on? Okay.
I said I ain't had no knowledge. It wasn't.
You have
charged for a
any
day.
knowledge? Okay, well, it's going dead and it's staying dead for 24 hours. So. Ms. Veely?
Yes, Your Honor, we would just point out to the court that he is indicted to Judge Williams, whoever ends up with her docket, but he's not been alleged to have been anywhere he's not supposed to be. I was just checking his bond order. He's got numerous conditions that he's not accused of violating, and most importantly, he's not violated the law. So if he had gotten arrested, he would still be entitled to due process, and he still would be entitled to notice, which he didn't get today, of what the violations are. And then the state, if they wanted to, could petition the court to revoke his bond. So given that this is, we understand it's a serious business to have your battery go dead, but it is only two, and he's appeared in court, which is also
That's a good thing, but now he's gonna remember to keep it charged and not sleep for 24 hours?
that's correct, right?
Yes, yeah, ma'am.
Little louder.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, take it serious. Okay,
And stay in touch with Ms. Jones, okay?
all right. You do a little better, okay? You can leave.
I'll speak.
All right, Bria Young, number 425 PI 005178. What we got there, ankle monitor?
We've not tracked, since 9/9/25. We spoke with the defendant on 9/18 and 9/28 to charge and has not been completed.
Who's your lawyer?
She's not present at the moment. I'm
Who
still.
is it?
Miss, I believe her name is Melanie Steffo.
Ms. Veely, you want to talk to her?
I can. It does appear that there's a co-defendant, so she would have. But I'll see if I can contact Ms. Stefan. She was appointed to a conflict of.
Conflict. Did you hear what she said? You haven't been charged. It's not over a month now.
No, ma'am, that's not true.
Okay, so she's lying.
No, I charged it recently.
Let's see. When did she charge it?
I'm sorry.
She said she charged it recently.
It was great up until then, but we've not tracked since 9/9/25. And we've called several times. We actually spoke to her on 9/19 and 9/28 regarding this.
Maybe we should have the monitor looked at while we're here. Is there somebody who can check it out?
It would have to just be charged. We can put her on a charge center over here.
It would be blinking red if it was dead.
It would not be blinking if it's dead. Can't blink if it's dead.
I mean, in my defense, I just charged it last night before I got here. I fell asleep.
Last night, but that doesn't mean I'll check to see if it's.
We checked this at September the 9th. You haven't been charging it because it hasn't been tracking. When they called you and said it's not charging, it's not tracking, and then you said,
No, ma'am, I wasn't notified about it not being,
okay, so they haven't called you those two times.
no, ma'am. I contacted them recently, maybe they're talking about the wrong person, but
This is exactly why we need notice of these.
I understand, but saying that it didn't happen, and I mean, they've got notes that they called and talked to you.
No,
Did either, which is why we need notice of what the violations are.
I talked to, I called the people before I switched locations because I did change residency.
Y'all have a new address?
We do 5750 Wilmington Road, apartment 512.
Can y'all switch this one out?
We can.
We'll switch it out. We're gonna bring you back again, see if you can't keep it charged. That's your,
Wait, can I wait for,
Nope.
my legal
we're just, no, because
representation?
I'm not, if I was gonna put you in jail, I'd say yes. We're gonna swap it out, put you on a new one, keep it charged, and we're gonna bring you back.
Yes, ma'am.
See if you keep it charged, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Or unless you want me to think about putting you in jail and you want to wait for Miss Steffo.
No,
Okay, there you go. There you go. There you go. They're gonna go over there, put you on a new one, and we'll bring you back. All right, I got Camilo.
Your Honor,
Yes, ma'am.
I'm so sorry. I cannot hear the defense attorney very well at all.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. She was kind of in between, but she can just speak from where she's at. I'm sorry.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, I've got number 5, Camilo. How do you say this one? Campnaga, 25 PI 002684.
Potential. Okay.
We have that one tracking in Cherokee County Jail in 925. I'm unclear, if it's still in Cherokee County Jail.
And the attorney asked about,
Okay, well, that's cool, but where is the person? Can we look it up on Cherokee? Let's see. It was on 925.
Correct.
No, look it up. Okay, well, we'll check on that. Mr. Jenkins?
Well, Your Honor, subject to two things, good notice and, well, that still applies. And, but if she's in jail, bench warrant bond forfeiture, Your Honor.
Okay, and we'll check. So I got 925 in Cherokee, so I'll check there. All right, so I've got number 6, Cordero Brewster, 24 SC 001581. Cordero Brewster. What about it, ankle monitor?
It died yesterday morning at 6:10 a.m.
his notice was returned on the 30th of September.
You have a new address for him?
The new address.
Mm-hmm.
I have no new address, no changes to profile.
All right, looks like maybe the notice was returned, so we can reset this one to whatever the next calendar is, we can get them on, okay? Let's see if we can, Mr. Marks can get a notice. Number 7, Damian Davenport, 25 SC 006197. Damian Davenport. Damian Davenport. Damian Davenport. Miss Feely, you know anything?
I'm looking now to see.
You may want to pull that microphone just a little closer, or like, or swing it. You can, on the desk, you just swing it.
So
Hey.
it looks like it was indicted to Lethbridge, but she has not had further court date, or he has not had any more court dates since then.
Mr. Jenkins?
Your Honor, subject to good notice, that would be a bench warrant for bond forfeiture.
All right. I've got number 8, 25 PI 006044. Wait, this person out? Where'd the name go? Daniel Gabriel. And what do we got?
Can I help me for translate?
All right, need an interpreter.
Yeah.
Hmm? Okay, reset him to with the interpreter. How's it going, Ink Commander Company? Good?
We're good, no violations.
Okay. I don't know a whole bunch except adios, but good job. We'll set it again, okay? Thanks. Adios.
I have a question.
Mhm.
My lawyer needs to come today, maybe the next call, I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
It's not take the.
Go ahead.
I'll get his phone number and I'll call him with a Spanish interpreter. Can you write your phone?
Position 8.
Yes. this is-
Thank you, Ms. Feely.
And I'll call you this afternoon.
Oh, okay.
It said, so, for-
Yeah.
My phone.
An email address.
Which one's your client there?
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning.
Camilo Compagna. I'm not sure what number that is on account, but
Oh, yeah, that's who we just, yeah. So were they in Cherokee County?
yes.
Still in Cherokee County?
Yes.
Any bond?
There's a bond that said, oh, Mr. Mayor, that bond has not been made.
Okay.
It's made in councils.
I'm sure they cut it off, right?
Do you monitor? I presume. I don't know that for a fact.
Right. I mean, if they did, we just tell them when it gets out or when she gets out to go get another one put back on, get in touch with Second Chance. All right. Thank you so much. Okay. Uh-huh. All right. What about yours? Which one's yours?
Good morning, Judge.
I believe.
Let's see, I'm covering for Ms.
Good to see you,
Stefo this
man.
morning. The first case of Ms. Stefos is position 4, Ms. Young.
Yeah, over there. She seemed to want to see you because she hadn't been tracking since 9/9. So what I said was we'll put a new ankle monitor on her and give her another chance. She wanted to wait for Miss Steffo. So I said, well, if you want to talk about going to jail, we can wait for Miss Steffo, or if you want to just get a new ankle monitor. So I think she may have some complaints if you want to chat with her.
Yes, I would like to chat with her. I just came from Ms. Stefo and 2B. So
Okay, yeah.
I'm aware that there's some issues.
Oh, yeah.
Have a Discussion with her and we'll come back.
All right, so we'll bring did you bring Miss Ogletree here? So Miss Feely, that's one of y'all's cases?
I believe so, yes.
All right, she's in jail. You ever want to bring Miss Ogletree out?
She's custody.
Back to number 125 PI 005013. Short day today, Miss Feely. Mr. Jenkins?
Yes. No complaints, Your Honor, no complaints. She got a new case.
Oh, you want to see it, Your Honor?
Yeah, the podium, that's fine. Miss Ogletree, when did you get arrested again?
Oh, I've been in jail for, at the end of August, I did the whole month of September, and I came into October.
Okay. Did they cut that ankle monitor off of you?
It's at home in my pocketbook, cause I don't have a shower, I had to take a bath with it, and they kept shocking me with it in the water. So
Yeah.
I didn't never leave the house.
Wow. I
I
didn't
never
realize that.
left. And they kept calling, but they never did come back. I kept telling them to come over to my house. But
Yeah.
They didn't come.
Huh.
I ain't never went to her house, but I'm tell you this, Miss Your Honor. Did they investigate this where she first told me I had a pistol on her and the sun was shining on her? I had so mad that day, I forgot to tell you all to pull her camera, her doorbell camera, so that you all could see it.
So, Miss Feely, you'll pass that on to,
Yes.
okay, yeah.
That was a lie.
Okay, I got you.
Ankle monitor today.
So,
The ankle monitor.
Ankle monitor camera. It's
you
not-
said it was at home.
Yeah. I want to go home. I've been in that place, I'm locked up for nothing.
No, you got.
So what
I can't afford that, no $10,000. I gave y'all a $20,000 bond. And she called around and told the people, I'm stocking her. I ain't stocked her.
Yeah. So all we're talking about days at ankle monitor. So you have problems with it. So when you get out, will you go by a second chance and get another one and tell them the issues you're having?
Yeah.
Okay.
Tell them, could they put it on my own?
So Madam Ankle Monitor, is there any way to do something?
Fulton County would have to approve the watch for us to put it on. It's still gonna be the same condition. It's an electronic device. It cannot be submerged in water. However, you can still shower and
Right.
sponge bath, I guess.
So, but I
It
mean,
doesn't shock them. It just prevents the device from working.
right. So, who pays for that, or is it the same?
It's the same. It's just Fulton County have to approve it because currently Fulton County doesn't pay for that.
Right. So what do we need to do to get that done?
Just an order that states the watch.
Okay. All right, but now if we get you a watch to put on, it's gonna be like,
Man, but I got stuff at home to wrap that. I can wrap the top. I got stuff at home.
okay. So, but you won't just like go swimming in it, right?
No, I'm gonna be good.
I'm sure you are. So, Mr. Jenkins,
I'm with the bracelet.
so she's got that as other. Do you want to just reinstate this one and make it a watch?
I have no objection to that, Judge.
Ms. Feely?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, so we'll reinstate it, and what we'll do is say, replace the ankle monitor with the,
GPS watch.
what's it called?
GPS watch.
Yeah, the GPS watch. All right, we'll get you one of those soon, okay? All right, thank you, ma'am. Have a good day.
Man, can I ask you, Your Honor, I thought this was for my barn hearing.
No, I think,
You got a couple of things going on and I'm happy to come to the back. and-
yeah, you may have something coming up on that pretty quickly.
I cannot stand another day in jail, Your Honor. My mother deceased. I have a brother that's stronger out on heroin. He's auctioning off the house. His name is not on the deeds. He got falsified deeds. My cousin had me locked up right here for nothing. She said I had her going. She's having sex with my husband. She gave me full-blown AIDS. I can't deal with a whole lot of it.
We're not
I need
on
to
the
go
case.
home.
We're not
Right.
on the calendar.
I got you.
But we do need to get you in for a bond hearing.
I can't stay here another day. I've been here for 2 months, and ma'am, I'm about to lose everything that my mother them left me. Behind
On
a
the
liar
20,
and a
on the
thief.
24th, I know you got a bond, so Ms. Feely will,
It was for 10,000. I just got out. I shouldn't even been locked back up.
yeah.
But
So how about
they
Ms.
never investigated the crime
Right.
from the beginning, Your Honor.
Right, so how about Ms. Feely talks to your lawyer and they try to get you on another bond counter? I'm sure Ms. Feely's gonna make that note on her counter right now. Okay? Thank you, ma'am. All right, what about, thank you. Don Tavius McCrary? Okay,
Query was.
thank you, Ms. Feely.
I don't know. Oh, no, the one we just did was stating the bond and she's gonna do an order for the GPS watch.
Get all that, Madam Court Reporter? Did you get all that?
I sure did.
Okay.
Clarity.
See this one.
Where is this? Anya, Gabriel. Are you doing the add-ons?
Yes, so,
Oh.
yeah, because they got inmates. They wants to go ahead and do the inmates real
Oh,
quick.
first,
Because there's
okay.
only, well, besides her, there's only, I think,
All right,
7 more.
okay, so we're doing the inmates first, no problem.
Yeah, that way they can get them out of here.
Yeah.
So we got, yeah, it's number 1 on the add-on, Don Tavius McCrary.
Yes.
How you doing, Mr. McCrary? So, we apologize we didn't get you back any sooner, okay? But I got a little cold going on, so I was out that day. And
Okay.
Judge McBurney didn't want to cover the calendar for some reason, but probably because Miss Feely's so aggressive with it. Right, Miss Feely? But, so I think before he had a lot of violations. What is it? What you gonna do different this time, Mr. McCrary?
Make sure I charge the ankle monitor up. And do the right thing by the,
Keep it charged, right?
yes, ma'am.
Hopefully, I mean, yours don't have too much. Hopefully we can, let's see, how long was his on before? Do you know?
I have something starting in March. I'm not sure if it was prior to that, though.
Is that when you got it on in March?
I got it on in February. I got arrested in January and I got it on in
Oh,
February.
I'm sorry, I can't see. 2/26/25. My apologies. Is when it first started with us. I'm uncertain if he had it prior to.
Okay, how about this? How about, Ms. Feely, how's this sound? We give him another reset, bring him back another time. If you're in compliance, Ms. Feely's gonna probably argue to take it off,
Looking at his charges here.
because he's got to ag us up on a peace officer.
So he's been in jail for 2 weeks.
Yeah, 15 days.
I mean, that, if he's not violating the law and he did appear for court because he got arrested, is my understanding.
Well, because he wasn't charging, yeah.
Right.
So we'll just put another one on him. When he,
That would be our request.
well, so we'll reinstate it and put the, reinstall the ankle monitor. Okay? All right, thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Uh-huh. Keontae Hurd, number 2, 25 PI 000658. It looks like he has another hearing in front of Judge Hughes on the 23rd. Mr. Hurd, how you doing?
Good.
Oh, so we got to speak really loud, okay?
Good.
Is that really loud?
I mean, it's loud. It's my regular voice.
Lean down just a little bit to the microphone.
It's my regular voice right here.
Okay. So, all right, sorry about it being 15 days. You were in there, but what you gonna do different this time?
Keep it on the charge. Keep that shit. Keep them off and keep the charger with me.
And if charger breaks?
Go get another one ASAP.
Outstanding, outstanding. Any objection, just reinstating, and, okay, so we'll reinstate your bond, they'll put an ankle monitor on you before you leave, okay? Just keep it charged.
Okay, man.
All right, thank you, Mr. Hurd. I think he had 2, so 3. Yeah, he had 3 cases. All right, so number 5 is Kenyon McCrary. 23 SC 190635.
Add on. Thingy. Yeah.
And Mr. Hurd was number 2, 3, and 4.
Section 5 and 6. Yes.
And Mr. McCrary is 5 and 6. He's 23 SC 190635 and 23 SC 190621.
Good morning, Judge.
How you doing, Mr. McCrary? So tell me what you're going to do different.
I'm gonna keep it charged, Judge, all the time.
All the time, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Be where you're supposed to be, not go where you're not supposed to go.
Yes, ma'am.
So if, when we bring you back again for compliance, they're going to say, perfect charging.
Yes, ma'am. I
right,
promise.
Go ahead.
2 weeks got me right in the head.
Mr. Jenkins?
No objection to reinstate.
All right, you go with that, Ms. Feely? All right, so we'll reinstate both your bonds and get you another ankle monitor, but if you have any problems with it, make sure that you call them, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Uh-huh. All right, Destin Wilson, that should be the last one, Lattimore. Yours gonna be next, Mr. Abt. You got here just in time.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Wait a minute, Destin Wilson, I show that Destin Wilson isn't in there anymore. Unless. Hold on. Do what? I can't hear you.
Be released September 25th, September.
Okay, so,
That's information on the order. Because it was a juvenile.
okay. Oh, okay, yeah, yeah. And they put it back up. He was released, I think already. They put it back on him because he was a juvenile.
His mom, he was not released. He's being held at Clayton County right now.
Oh, well, if he's held at Clayton County, then I guess that's on Clayton County charges?
For failure to appear.
Oh, in Clayton County?
Yes, but under the circumstances that they sent the letter for his court date to the wrong address. So when he was supposed to get out, they didn't release him because of that situation, and he was transferred to Clayton County.
Okay. I mean, have you dealt with Clayton County on it yet?
Actually, they won't allow me to speak with anybody. They're telling me that he has to call in from jail to get a bench warrant release or something like that. And he's supposed to talk to the attorney. The only thing that they gave me was his attorney name and wouldn't provide me with an email address or a number.
The attorney's name in Clayton County?
Mm-hmm. And I tried to contact the public defender that we were dealing with before, because she sent over the release papers for them because we thought it was just, they wasn't releasing him. So she sent over the papers for that, but she still hasn't contacted me either. So at this point, we're actually not knowing what to do. Right
Kind of like, I'm sure Miss Felia can get your name and number and she can pass it on. If you'll give her, she'll come back there and get it from you, okay? And we'll see if she can help you out. And then give her that, who's the attorney in Clayton County?
Catherine Jackson.
Is she from Lister and Holt?
I'm not sure. The lady at the PD office was very helpful.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, I'm sure that Miss Feely can get your public defender here to get in touch with. Maybe they can help you figure it out, okay?
Okay, and then, is she, will another court date be provided or?
Well, no, because I think we set a date for him to get out here, remember? Because we had just this date to this date, yeah, so. Thank you so much. All right, let's see. All right, Mr. App, we got Darius Hurd.
He is present, Your Honor. I have spoken to the ADA assigned to that case, Ms. Willingham, and we have a negotiated plea. We're working on just getting a plea date. But if there are issues with an ankle monitor or some other compliance issues, I'm unaware of
That's the
them.
main calendar.
It's number 925SC003287.
In the main calendar.
What's happening with the ankle monitor?
Oh, Your Honor, we're good. Pre-trial and no known violations.
Well, there it is.
Good. All right, plea time.
Okay, that's fine. Thank you. When's your date? Do you know?
We don't have one yet because of my horrific conflicts and leaves.
Oh, okay. All right, thank you,
We'll get it
sir.
worked out.
All right.
Ms. Willingham and I are going to diligently work on getting a court case.
All right, thank you. Thank you, sir. Have a good one, Mr. App. Good to see you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Good to see you.
I got number 10, Deontay Bryant, 25 PI 000833. Round up, Mr. Bryant. I think he's from conflict now, isn't he? How about Mr. Bryant? How's that going?
Oh, Your Honor, I made several violations for Mr. Bryant. There's an apartment complex on the same road, but further down. So we have his listed as 111 Oakley Industrial Boulevard. But he frequents 5474 Oakley Industrial Boulevard. It is not in the same complex. Have him there on 9/14, 9/18, 9/20, 9/22. Our agent did speak to him at one of them. He said he was on the way to Zaxby's, but he'd been at the apartment complex for quite some time. And then visiting stores on 9/15 at 7860 Senoia Road for 6 minutes. On 9/16, 7895 Senoia Road, and 7854 Senoia Road.
I think this is Mr. Hines with conflict, or is this an old case of his?
For that to be that much. This is it.
Number 10? I didn't know if that was one of, didn't Mr. Hines go to conflict?
Mr. What position?
Princeton Hines, number 10.
Oh, no, he is a private non.
Oh, okay.
Firm.
So do you think this would have been a private one or when he was with PD or conflict? I say home.
Sounds like he was retained. He did retain Mr. Hines.
Oh, so you retained him?
He just late right now.
You retained him?
Yeah, I paid him.
A little closer to the microphone, a little louder.
I said, yes, I paid him.
Okay, you paid him.
Yeah, Your Honor, his, Mr. Hines' entry of appearance has his, firm at PO Box and not the public defender's address.
Speaking of that, speaking of the devil, come on up. We got Mr. Brian up here.
Good morning, Your Honor. Excuse me for being.
No, good morning. How have you been?
Good, how are you?
Doing well. So, Mr. Deontay Bryant, 25 PI 000833. Go ahead, Ankle Monitoring Company. One more time for Mr. Hines.
We have several violations from leaving the home. We have his address listed as 111 Oakley Industrial Boulevard. He is frequenting a apartment complex at 5474 Oakley Industrial Boulevard. We have him on 918, 920, 922, 914. Additionally, some stores on 915 at 7860 Sonoya Road, 916, 7895 Sonoya Road, and then 7854 Sonoya Road. Mr. Bryant does email frequently about job interviews. These are not correspondent to those emails.
Go ahead, Mr. Hines.
Yes, Your Honor. I believe that Mr. Bryan has been in touch with his pretrial officer and will correct his communication with the Ankle Monitor Company going forward.
So, okay, but why is he leaving his home and frequenting the other address? Because this says 24-hour curfew, work, legal, emergency, one religious worship service per week. And I don't see him released on a pretrial services on any of these because he had a $65,000 bond. None of them were through pretrial.
So these are other family members who are taking him to work, or to job interviews, I'm sorry.
So you work at the apartment complex at 5424 Oakley Industrial.
Well, no, so that's his grandmother's place, and she was taking him to a job interview.
So what would you like, Mr. Jenkins? Why have you been communicating with pretrial instead? Because you're not on pretrial services instead of Ankle Monitoring Company.
Your Honor, I can't hear.
Yeah, you gotta let microphone back up. I know these people talk louder.
Okay, when I'm finna leave out my house, I email them and let them know I'm going to an interview or I'm going to my job.
Email whom?
The second chance people.
Your Honor, he does email for job interviews. We weeded those out. That's what I was trying to explain. Those are not correspondent to these. This is an apartment complex that he's staying at for an extended period of time. It is not his home address.
So this is somebody you're going over there to see for extended amount of time.
No. So say if I'm finna go to my job or I'm going to an interview, I'm gonna go to somebody close to like my grandma's house or somewhere where I know I can go here and then go here. Like go to my job and go to my auntie house or go here, then go to my grandma's house, stuff like that.
So I don't know if they're taking you, why can't they come get you? Because that's probably what you need to be doing.
Because no, I be catching a bus and I be walking. Like I don't really be having.
I know there's a bus that comes over there to where you live.
Yeah, but it's like a certain time it come. It only come at 8 o'clock in the morning to 4. So if I go to work, I have to stay at somebody's house until that time come back around for me to catch the bus or me to make it back home, stuff like that. So I might sit after work or before work. I'm at my grandma's house,
What time do you usually go to work?
5 o'clock. Or whenever they just call me, like it's not a set schedule. They just,
So I think you ought to get them to change your schedule so you can work during the daytime.
I was trying to work on that. It's like difficult with this job.
You gotta work out something because you can't keep going to these addresses.
Okay.
So I don't know why you're going to your grandmama's house at so early and staying there until then, but this is your bond conditions, because you got 2 counts of armed robbery, 2 counts of aggravated assault, 1 count of home invasion. So the people of Fulton County want you to abide by these bond conditions, okay? And you were released on these bond conditions with an ankle monitor, kind of as a little bit of courtesy so you wouldn't have to stay in Rice Street. So the thing is, if I give you one more reset and you come back here and that same stuff's happening, I'm gonna send you back to Rice Street. Because you're not following the bond conditions. See those guys that came in here a few minutes ago? They've been in jail for 15 days. You gotta say something, just look at me.
I understand what you're saying. I understand what
Okay,
you're saying.
so you're gonna do what you're supposed to do?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
will.
I said, yes, ma'am.
No, you ain't gotta say all that, but yes, I will.
Yes, I will.
Nothing's gonna stop me from violating it.
I will follow the rules and do what I'm supposed to be doing.
I didn't realize you were so tall.
Yes, Your Honor.
I
We
don't know
don't
why he was so tall till he's standing up beside me.
see each other off Zoom.
Exactly. All right, we'll give him one more shot. Last shot. We'll put him on. When's our next one? We can get him on. Huh?
Having that the day,
Is it November?
yes, it'll be November.
It'll be November. So you get that little test thing since November, okay?
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. It's good to see you again.
Good to see you also.
All right. We got George Mathis. Who is his? How come some of these don't have lawyers on them? This is 25 PI 006087. Who's your lawyer, Mr. Mathis?
I'm not sure if I have one as
Little louder in there.
I'm not sure if I have one as of right now.
So did you have a public defender?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's just see. Ganesh?
Yeah, he's with my office.
He's with your office or conflict?
He's with me, my.
Oh,
office.
okay.
He's not calling.
So it looks like that. So how is he doing?
Your Honor, we have several violations, first being on August 14th. Defendant was 1193 Cleveland Avenue, East Point, Georgia, on 824, 8043 Biney's Circle, East Point. And then on 9/12/2025, 4375 Cascade Road. Also, we have Mr. Mathis, what appears to be on a cruise to the Turks and Caicos.
That's a little bit outside of Fulton County.
When I was released, I was told no
No, it's not.
restriction by a working employee. This is my first time ever going through something like
Hold on,
this.
you put your hand down. I gotta hear from him. I'm gonna see what he says. Go ahead, I'm listening.
But I was saying, when I was first released, I was told no restrictions by an employee who put it on me. Then when my ankle monitor actually had fell off because they improperly put it on, I went and put it back on.
When you were first released.
And no, ma'am. Not when I was
When you were
first.
first released, you were told no restrictions.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, let me read you something from your bond conditions. You ready? You ready?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. 24-hour curfew except for work if job title schedule is submitted to the attorney. Medical, court, and attorney visits. Stay away from 1355 Westview Drive. No weapons, no firearms, no drugs without a valid prescription. No further contact with any known gang members. So that sounds like restrictions.
Yes, ma'am.
So you did have restrictions.
I understand that now.
Okay.
But even when I had contacted them and told them about the trip or whatever, they never said no. You can't.
Contacted who?
Second chance. My mother emailed them.
Did your mom? Okay, hold on, mama. Who's wearing the ankle monitor?
George. Me.
Your mama don't have one on?
No, ma'am.
Then why is she emailing them? This is a you problem, not a mama problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Ms. Feely, Mr. Jenkins, Mom, I'll let you talk, but I mean, I don't want you making excuses for him because, all right, come on up here, Mom.
Well, before we get started with that, this is, I wanted to put this on the record several times. We are begging the court to ask for these violations ahead of time for this exact reason.
Right.
I mean, and it's over and over, almost every single time there's violations, we just stand up here blind and have to throw up an explanation versus constitutionally due process. We've
How
asked them
soon,
to send
can,
it.
yeah, how soon can we get how soon could you get at least Ms. Feely, anything?
So these violations are already sent to the court.
Mhm.
We just bring the notes with us.
Who are they sent
They
to?
go to a generic email address, SCA@FultonCounty.gov, something like that. Like these are not like, we just pull them all up. We bring different details like dead batteries because
Yeah.
that goes in one report, but this is not.
So what's that email address? I'm just curious who it gets.
Right, because we need notices of what's going to be thrown at them before they step up here. And I've asked before, and it may not have been this exact lady, but I've definitely.
No,
asked.
yeah, I know you said it, but I think she said it gets,
SCA.anklemonitonotice@FultonCountyGA.gov.
so is that to Ms. Burns?
Yes, it is. There's several people on it because we get tons of communication back. I think there's like some courtroom officials and they send it to specific people.
So do you ever see Miss Katara Burns on there?
She does not respond to these.
But is she on there?
I don't know. It's a distribution group on your side,
Oh, okay.
unfortunately.
Hey, okay, we'll look up that email address. All right, go ahead. Mom, what's your name besides Mama?
Kimberly Bussey.
Okay,
Okay, when they first put the ankle monitor on, they told him no restrictions. I did let them know that he was he's going to college, so that he would be traveling for these specific reasons. I called the young lady, I spoken to her, she gave me an email. I explained to her that we gifted him with a cruise trip for graduating from high school on top of his class. We gifted him with a cruise, and she said that everything was okay. She provided me with an email. He was right there with me, and I sent over the email. She said she just needed the dates, the time, and when he will return back to Atlanta. I have the email.
was that in July?
He just came back.
I mean, was that in July when he got out?
Yes, you gotta.
Because I mean, I just read what was on the bond conditions.
Yeah, I understand that, but when speaking to the young lady,
That ankle monitor?
yes, ma'am, at Second Chance, yes, ma'am. Because this is his first time, this is both of our first time going through this, of course, when you're a mother, you're gonna go through these things with your children. So I was trying to make sure I'm right there and supporting him and.
Sure.
With this.
Well, I graduated high school. You gonna send me to Turks and Caicos?
And I told, he had a football scholarship, but of course, wrong place, wrong time. It kind of.
So can I count on you to make him do all the emailing instead of you?
I'm teaching him. He has to be responsible. I'm teaching. Yes, ma'am.
Where's the ankle monitor now? Has it been,
Just tracking.
do you have a job?
Yes, ma'am. I was working at Georgia Tech. Currently I gotta restart my activity because of the trip. I was through corporate.
All right,
tech.
so do you hear this? It's a 24-hour curfew except for work, if your job title, schedule, and everything's submitted to your lawyer and to the ankle monitoring company.
Yes, ma'am.
You can leave for that. Only if you have a job and you get them your schedule. Medical, court appearances, and attorney visits. You got to stay away from 1355 Westview Drive. No drugs, no alcohol, no firearms, no communication with any gang members. Known gang members, I'd probably go with known, unknown too. And then also says, can't have any co-defendants with your co-defendants, Mathis, Slayton, and Slack. I don't know who they are. They're co-defendants, they were arrested.
Uranus. You say the name or something?
I mean, it says Wilson, Slayton, and Slack. They may have nicknames. One says, Davion Seals. These were all people arrested with you. I don't know. The nose,
No, they probably.
I hear you, man.
But
I hear you.
it's crazy because they're related. They all cousins.
so do you know who those people are?
We don't know them by nicknames.
All right. That one, Sean Slack.
No, we don't know.
Oh, let's take a second, go back and William Slayton.
Clayton, Sean Slack.
Well, no, none of them.
Okay.
And Taurus Wilson.
Taurus Wilson is his cousin. That's a cousin.
That's all those people.
You can stay away from all of them? Okay.
We'll give you another November date, okay?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
But if it stops charging, doesn't do anything, you better call, you gotta let Second Chance know. Do y'all prefer emails? Do y'all prefer phone calls?
For the emails,
Who you want the email from?
I,
the defendants.
There you go.
yes, ma'am.
All right, you get another chance. I'm in a good mood.
Thanks.
Thank you.
All right. Henry Bracy. 25 PI 005585. Oh, sorry, I didn't see you sitting there.
Good morning, Judge. How you doing?
Doing well. Number 12, Henry Bracy. What we got? Preacher, dang it. Ankle monitor.
Your Honor, I don't have any no violations, but also I do not have a victim address, so if the court could provide that for you, that'd be great.
Let's see, that. I'm not saying anything other than you can tell that I didn't do that bond conditions. Mr. Jenkins probably hated mine because it was everything. All right, so it looks like it might be 1389 Centra Villa Drive Southwest. At that 1389 Centra Villa Drive Southwest.
Noted, Your Honor.
And this is this responded to. But they responded to 1125 Cascade. Okay, okay, there you go. All right, so no violations?
You're correct.
All right, thank you. Good job. Go ahead.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Have a good day.
You too.
All right, I got Jarek Pearson. Jarek Pearson, 24 PI 004628.
My computer is being
Wait a minute. What is
sort
this?
of insanely slow, but I found a decline to prosecute on that case.
Okay, yeah, so look it up now. Let's
And
see.
by my.
No,
ABA
I'm
Michaels.
gonna look at, I didn't get this until. Yeah, okay. Did y'all get his ankle monitor back? Should D-Wop?
No, he was tracking us yesterday.
Oh, I guess y'all could, if he's with y'all, Miss Phil, you want to tell him to go by and get his ankle monitor cut off or taken off by them? All right, we got Joshua Watkins, 25 SC 003090. Mr. Watkins, pull your pants. There you go. Pull your pants. I appreciate that. What's going on with Mr. Watkins?
No violations, Your Honor.
Good job, Mr. Watkins. You having any problems whatsoever?
No, ma'am, but I'm trying to get me a job real soon. I'm trying to see if I'll be able to work.
Let me see what does it say you can't work? Hold on. Look at it. Hold on. Let me pull it up. Did your bond condition say you couldn't work?
I think I can, but I want to see where I supposed to send the information to.
All right, let's see. So you got out in May? Sound about right? So this says, stay away from 1380 Atlantic Drive Northwest, 24-hour curfew except as follows: job interview, school, medical, court, meeting with legal team, no weapons, no replicas, no drugs without a prescription. So, yeah, you can. So hold on a second. He's doing good, Mama. You got to let them know though. Like if you're going to interview wherever, you got to tell them, ankle monitor company, hey, I got to interview at wherever.
Okay.
So if it's like tomorrow at 9 o'clock, I got an interview tomorrow at 9 o'clock at this place. And then when you get back, you say, okay, I'm back for my interview. Now your interview don't mean you go by Turks and Caicos.
Okay.
Okay. Go to your interview, come back. And then when you get a job, you call them, you say, okay, I got a job at here. And then this is my schedule. So they'll know. Okay.
Okay.
I have no problem if on the way home, you have to stop and fill up with gas.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? I mean, life happens, you know, you got to go to, you know, you get sick, your mama gets sick. I get it, but just as long as you let them know, everything's cool.
All right.
All right. So email them. Yes, ma'am.
Before you leave, if you'll see this young lady right here, she'll give you a card that has all the information to contact us.
All right.
There you go. Now yes, ma'am. Not your mama, you though. Yes, ma'am.
Only question was, that's the question. It was, it's like mobile mechanic. So he actually goes, that's why he hasn't been going to actually work with his dad. We didn't know whether that's safe enough.
So what does your dad do?
You're a mobile mechanic, ma'am.
Okay. Well, does he know where he's going?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
I mean, yeah. I mean, as long as you know where you're going.
Okay.
So he may say he may have like 3 different customers. So it'll be a different address to different places or as the calls come in.
Yeah, so you would just jump on that. If you get that card, you jump on there and say, you know, I'm working with, you know, dad, whatever your dad's name is, here it is. I'm going, this is the address I'm going to, 136 Prior Street. And then when he gets another one, now I'm going to 185 Central. Now I'm going to, you know, Rice. You just got to tell them those addresses where you're going. And then when you finish up at your last one, just say, all right, I'm going home.
Yeah, ma'am.
Does that make sense?
Yes, ma'am.
And like I said, if your dad has to stop at, you know, Eats, which is breaking my heart, it's going out of business, closing, to get dinner, then you can stop and get dinner and go home. I get that. You know, just stop, pick up something, go home, okay?
Okay.
All right. Thank you, sir.
All right.
Yes, ma'am. But yeah, get that card over there. Yes, ma'am.
Thing was like, get a haircut to look presentable, to go to a job interview. That might be for years.
Well, let them know you got to get a haircut. I mean, you know, some of your basic like, and what?
This place,
Oh, yeah, you gotta go get an ID.
okay.
But you just gotta let them know. Now, don't let it be you go to Turks and Caicos and you say you go and get a haircut, all right? Just tell them where you're going. Hey, your mama's trying to take care of you. Don't holler out. Thank you, mama.
All right, thank you.
All right. Looks like, all right, I said Joshua, did you get his card? She get your card? Did he get a card?
He did.
I think so. Okay. Looks like, okay, I had a lot of people in here. Oh, no, I got, Trazion Brown. 17 SCs 155641. How's this one doing?
Your Honor, this is Attorney Aisha Broderick's case, but I'm standing in to make an announcement for her.
Okay. How's he doing on there?
No violations at this time.
Perfect. What's the announcements? Oh,
That he's doing great. He's been checking in with Miss Singleton and I'm not aware of any problems.
he doesn't have a court date yet?
Yes, Sean, he's had a few. He, the 17 threw the court off a little bit.
Yeah.
He did docket until he wasn't arrested until 2024.
Oh, because it was re-indicted. Okay. If you have any problems, same thing. I don't know what your bond conditions are.
He just recently received, permission to work, so he'll be starting a job tomorrow.
So did you get that,
It was modified.
yeah, you get that card from her?
On the way
Your
out.
Honor, we take this from pretrial. When they're supervised by a police officer, we get their schedule from the police officer.
Right. I don't know. I would let them know too. That's what I would do.
Fair.
That's what I would do. You know, because like I'm supposed to have a pretrial officer a day, but they're short staffed, so they don't have anybody. Me? I would just email them anyway. Can't hurt, right? Here's where I'm working, here's where I'm going, anything. Got to go get a haircut. This is what I'm doing, okay?
All right.
Outstanding. Have a good one.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, let's see. Quintus Crane, number 16, 25 PI 005688. 16.
Good morning. Hey, how you doing?
Doing well. How about what we got on going on for Mr. Crane?
No known violations, Your Honor.
Hey, Mr. Crane, good job. Let's see. How long have you had yours on?
7/18.
Since July.
Since July. Okay. All right, we'll get you back in a few months. Is this one? All right. We'll get you back in a few months to see what we want to do with it, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, just let them know anything you're doing.
Okay, okay.
All right, thank you. Who's the little baby? Look at the thing. All right, let me got Raymond Washington, number 17, 25 SC 003019. Raymond Washington. Raymond Washington, let's see. Make sure I haven't been DWOP. Well, it's supposed to be a final plea in front of McBurney the 9th.
Yeah.
Oh, well,
Well, that, what is that, Thursday?
yeah, I'll email him, and if he wants me to do a, 1 minute. Hold on.
Yeah, that may be the best thing if he's got.
Yeah, I'll email McBurney and let him know and see what he wants to do.
No problem, Judge.
Okay. All right, number 18 is Ronell Anderson. 24 SC 001701.
Your Honor, there may be a disposition on that one.
All right, let's see. Mhm. All right, yeah, it looks like it is. So
All right. Good.
I guess y'all got his ankle monitor, right?
We do.
Okay. I'm gonna take him off. And then I've got number 20, Tavarius McCrary. 25 PI 005279. What's going on with Mr. McCrary?
Your Honor, we have no known violations, just want the court to know it appears to live in the same neighborhood as the exclusion zone. Which does make it a little risky on our part, but just want to be noted for the court.
So do you live near 6475 Connell Road?
Oh, that's my house.
That's your house?
Yes.
So this says you're not supposed to be at 6475 Connell Road.
Yes. I haven't been there.
So where have you been staying?
I stay in Parramatta at 8004.
Is that where you've been showing him?
Wilkerson Mill. That's what they should have.
Hold on, so it says that it shows you within that area near Connell Road. Have you been over there?
Oh yeah, I have family that stay right on the street, right around the area, the whole area. I have family and friends that stay around.
Okay, but
the
you
whole
can't
area.
go over that way. That's the thing.
You mean over there where they say I was supposed to be within 400 feet? That's what it say.
What's the exclusion?
Yeah, I
zone?
haven't been 400 feet within the house.
Ours just says stay away from 6475 Connell Road, South Fulton,
So what does it make it in?
and so we have it at.
So what address are you going to that's close to there?
It's like a couple of them. I have family that stay on the Bass Street.
Okay, you gotta speak a little, I'm sorry, what?
I have family that stay all around the whole area.
Okay, no.
Like the Bass Street.
Here's that house.
I just don't
Look,
go with
look,
them.
look.
I just don't go with.
Here's that house.
Okay.
Do they live next door?
No.
Across the street?
No, I don't go that close. I know the next door neighbor. I don't go that close. I go with
No,
them.
no, no. Your family, do they live across the street?
No.
Do they live on that same street?
Yes.
All right.
Palmetto address, it just doesn't have to stay in Holland, so he's frequently there. We do not have a specifically at this address. It's very close, very hard to track sometimes.
So if he gives that well, yeah. What do you suggest, Mr. Jenkins? I would suggest they come see you. Or if you go see somebody, don't meet them on that road. Like stay off of that entire road. Here's the deal. If they tell somebody that you're violating it, the cops can come pick you up. And they don't care if you're at your uncle's. You're just not supposed to be over there. So
I didn't know I was supposed to be in the whole area.
Yeah, so, I mean, they have to make it like an area. So is there anywhere else that your relatives can come see you?
Just stay having around.
Little louder.
So I just had to stay having around there.
I mean, somebody doesn't live close to there, right?
Well, I was staying away from the feet that was said to stay away from the house. I didn't go within those amount of
All right,
feet.
so how about we don't go on that street and go a couple streets over?
Okay.
Sound good?
Yep.
All right, just stay away from over there, okay?
Okay, can I ask you a question?
Uh-huh.
Who do I report to when the person is evicted from my home?
When the person's what?
Evicted from my home. They said I'll be.
I guess you need to let your lawyer know. Is it still Miss Gerber?
I guess I thought I was supposed to let them know. Because they say I'm supposed to be out for house arrest because the person that's in my house is the
So
reason
you
that
gotta
I'm
go
on.
through your lawyer first, Miss Feely.
Okay.
You so Miss Feely will get your number and pass it on to whoever it's assigned to, okay?
Okay.
And you can talk to them, that way they can talk to the state.
Okay.
All right. Now we got the number 21. I think it's the last one on here is Kendrell Knox, 24 SC 003821. Kendrell Knox. Going once, going, huh? Okay. Going once, going twice, nothing. All right, I'll get with, she said the notice was returned. I'll get with Judge Schwall's office, okay? I think that's it. Anybody else? Yes, ma'am.
We come back to position 4.
Uh-huh.
Miss Young.
Brian Young, 25 PI 005178. Yes.
Your Honor, when I first stood up about this case, I needed to speak with Miss Young in
Sure.
the hallway. We had I think, lengthy and productive conversation in the hallway. And what I believe to be the issue is that there's a problem with her monitoring device. She says she's been charging it. In fact, she showed me pictures of her charging it after the day that apparently it hasn't been charged. I think it was September 9th was the last time it was shown charged. Correct. She showed me a picture on September 19th where it's charging and you can kind of see the green light. So I think there's an issue with the device. So I'm suggesting she get a new device and a new charger. She's also brought to my attention that she has an issue with her bond conditions. And so I was wondering if Your Honor would entertain an oral motion for bond modification.
What's her problem with her bond conditions?
Her issue is that she's currently on a 24-hour house arrest with exceptions for medical and medical appointments and court dates. But she has no work exception, and that's what she's asking for, seeking. She has a freelance photography business that before this case she was running, and that's how she was supporting herself. And of course, without a work exception, she can't leave the house, cannot photograph anyone. And so we're asking for her to be allowed a work exception so that she can continue her business or restart her business, get her clientele back and support herself.
I'm trying to read Mr. Jenkins.
I have no objections to work exceptions as long as she keeps the monitoring company abreast of where she will be in the exact location, but I have no objection to work.
Yeah, that's fine if you want to submit one, but here's the thing. They've called you more than once about charging. I know they have.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so they're lying. They've never called you. They never called you. They never let you know on the 28, 29, right? Okay, so.
Your Honor, we did have a discussion about contact with the ankle monitoring company with Second Chance.
Right.
It was my suggestion and my client thought it was a great idea. I said, every Monday, take 5 minutes, call the monitoring company, say, hey, checking in, want to make sure I'm charged. Are there any problems? They can
Or
say,
emails.
no problems. That way there's a paper trail. I know they take down every record of contact. That way, once a week, she's checking in, making sure everything's fine, no problems. And when she is working, she can email her schedule and call them and say, hey, I'm photographing this wedding. Here's the address. I'll be there from so-and-so and so-and-so. I said,
When you
there's
get
no
home.
such thing as too much communication.
Unfortunately, right now, you gotta let them know every move you make. Yes, sir. But you gotta, I mean, they're gonna say they called you and if they got notes in there.
May I ask what number do they have on file that they're
I don't know, you
contacting?
can ask them, I don't.
We'll make sure that.
You can ask them, but here's the thing, if you change your phone number or you change your email, that's a you problem. You gotta let them know. They can't just keep up with it.
Yes,
All
ma'am.
right? So go over there and get it swapped out. Y'all take care of it.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank
And
you. Anybody
I'll
else?
sub- I'll
Oh.
submit the amended bond order.
Yeah, yeah. You want to submit it to me or?
Yes, please.
Okay,
I'll
yeah,
email
yeah.
it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Anybody else?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Nope, that's it. Thank you, Madam Court Reporter. Sorry everybody was talking so low.
That's totally fine. But do you mind,
She wants
just
to
giving me the name of a couple people? The woman in the green jacket, what is her name?
She wasn't on the calendar today for what she wants to talk about. So I don't really have a whole ton to share with her, but if it'll make your life easier, I'll go back and just real quickly speak with her. You want me to do that? Okay.
No.
And then we can't allow you to go work until you get that bond first, so I just need you to know that.
Counsel, could you put your name on the record, please, for the court reporter?
Let me come to a.
All right.
For the court reporter, Attorney Hannah Rondon. My last name is Rondon.
Per second.
All right, thank you. And then I have Miss Feely. Would you mind giving me her first and last name?
Yes, can you hear me from over here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it's Lee, common male spelling Lee, and then F as in Frank, Eeley.
All right, and then I have 88 Jenkins. What's your first name, sir?
Absolutely, George.
All right, and then just the name of the second chance representative?
It's Lindy Schmidt, LYNDISCHMIDT.
Thank you guys so much. That's all.
Thank you. Have a good weekend.
Lee,
All right, you as well.
your office so they can send violations. I would say start off with her.